Hello students, welcome to the class of BB.net. In the last session, we have a discussion on how to design a registration form. In this session, I am going to discuss how to validate the registration form with mandatory field, as well as we will see how do we copy the value of one text box to another. For example, if you want to copy the content of present address to permanent address on click of same as permanent address option, then how we will do this. So let's start. So as we know, a form works only on the summation. So we have to write the code on the submit button. Just click on the submit button. Whatever code, whatever task we want to perform, you have to write on this. So as the button name is button1 underscore click event. Now here we have to check whether the name, father's name, contact number, email ID, gender, category is selected or not, or filled or not. So for that we have to write if txt name dot text. Here txt name is the name of the text box and text is the property. If txt name dot text equals to blank, if it is blank, then if it is blank, then it's a single equals to will be there. Yes. Then what is the error here? If txt name equals to blank, then there will be a space. If txt name dot text equals to blank, then we have to give the message, please enter name, and also we have to set the property of txt name dot focus. If it is okay, then we will use else if txt fname dot text equals to blank. Then for this we have to again give the appropriate message box, please enter father's name, and txt fname dot focus. Again we will check else if txt contact dot text equals to blank, then msg box enter, or you can say please enter, because it's always good to write message which will please the user. So please enter contact number, txt contact dot focus. Else if txt email dot text equals to blank, then msg box enter email id, txt email dot focus. So this is how we can set we can code for each and every required field in the form. Now, if this all will fit, I have just taken only this as a required field. So let's see whether it works or not. And you can always remember to give else with else if statement. Else MSG box, thank you for submission, or you can say form submitted successfully. Thank you. So this is how you can check. Let's execute this. See, I have not filled anything. I am just clicking on please enter it. Okay. Suppose I am entering name Ravi. Submit. Enter father's name. Okay. Suppose I am entering Ranjit. Again, enter contact number. Enter email ID. Submit. As these are the only mandatory field I have taken for this form. So, form submitted successfully. Thank you. So this is how we can validate our form. Moving to the next. The next code what we would select is to copy the address or present address to the permanent address. So whatever we do here, so just click on this. If checkbox 1 dot checked equals to true, then RT permanent dot text equals to RT present dot text. Here RT permanent is this text box used for permanent address, and here RT present is this text box for present address. So we have to just copy the content of present address to permanent address. So we have to just write this. Else RT permanent dot text equals to blank. Now see whether it works or not. Here you can also see if RT present dot text equals to blank, then you have to give the message box, please enter present address. Then only you can give option to this, and here you have to set the focus on this. So RT present dot focus. If it is not blank, then it will copy the content. Let's see whether it works or not. Here, please enter present address. Here I have entered Patna, Bihar 800006. So you can able to see If you are going to uncheck, your text box of permanent address gets blank, and once you check, it is appeared whatever you have typed here. So this is how we can set this property. Here you can add one more thing also. Before focusing on this, you have to set checkbox 1 dot checked equals to false. See, you have clicked on here, please enter, and here you will have to see, and now you can able to see. This is how we can use the permanent present address as a permanent address. Now, reset button. Reset button is used to clear your input from the input boxes. So just for this, whatever you want to do, you have to just set all the properties to blank. Txt fname dot text equals to blank. Txt email dot text equals to blank. Txt contact dot text equals to blank. Rt permanent dot text equals to blank. Rt present dot text equals to blank. Radio we have taken, so rdiogen dot checked equals to false. Rdiogender dot checked equals to false. We have taken list. Let us check the name of the list box. LST category. So LST category dot clear selected. Now see, suppose I have selected, suppose I have filled some data. Now visit. See, we have just reset. All the field gets blank. So this is how we can use the reset button. So here you have an idea about how to validate the mandatory field, how to copy the value of one text box to another, and how do we use the reset option on the form if required. So this is how we can done registration form validation on the client side. In the next session, I am coming with the idea to design a change password form with client side validation. Thank you, class.